Spoken English practice. Audio to English translation. Let's start. ମୁଁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I would like to go. I would like to go. ବାଇକ୍ରେ ବସ. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା sit on the bike. Sit on the bike. ନିଜକୁ ଭଲ ପାଅ. Love yourself. Love yourself. ସେ ତମ ସହିତ କଥା ହେବେ. She will talk to you. She will talk to you. କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା don't go anywhere. ଚାଲ ଏହା କରିବା. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା let's do it. Let's do it. ମୁଁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେନି. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା I don't believe. I don't believe. ତୁମେ ଶିଖିଥିବ. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା you will learn. You will learn. କେହି ପଚାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ. Nobody asked. Nobody asked. ଅତୀତକୁ ଭୁଲିଯାଅ. Forget the past. Forget the past. ଏଇଠି ତୁମ ଘଡ଼ି. Here is your watch. Here is your watch. ଠିକ୍ ସମୟରେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଅ. Go to school in time. Go to school in time. ମୋ ଠାରୁ ଭଲ. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା better than me. Better than me. କାଲି ଛୁଟି ଦିନ. Tomorrow is holiday. Tomorrow is holiday. ସବୁ କିଛି ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ତ? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? ମୋତେ ଠକନି. Don't cheat me. Don't cheat me. ସେ ବହୁତ ଚତୁର. He is very clever. He is very clever. ଏତେ ଡେରି କାହିଁକି? Why so late? Why so late? ମୋତେ ଏକା ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. ତୁମେ କିଛି କରିବନି? You will do nothing. You will do nothing. କିଛି କୁହ ନାହିଁ. Speak nothing. Speak nothing. କିଛି ହବନି. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. ସବୁ ସମୟରେ. All the time. All the time. ସେପରି ଭାବ ନାହିଁ. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା don't think so. Don't think so. ମୁଁ ଗୀତ ବୋଲିପାରେ. I can sing. I can sing. ଏହା ବହୁତ ଥଣ୍ଡା. It's too cold. It's too cold. ମୋତେ ଘରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ. Drop me at home. Drop me at home. କାଲି ଦେଖା ହେବି. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. ସତ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ. To be honest. To be honest. ମୋତେ